Hi guys, our cravings for today is chicken and cabbage stir-fry. The first thing that you need to do is to marinate the sliced chicken with soy sauce, pepper, a little bit of sugar, and sesame oil, and mix everything up evenly. Dissolve cornstarch in water in a small bowl. Slice cabbage and carrots. Separate the layers of leaves and set aside. Get a cooking pan and heat olive oil. Once the oil is already hot, add the cabbage in the pan. And stir fry for about 1.5 minutes. Then set aside. Now add a little more oil in the pan if needed and add the slices of ginger. Spread the ginger in the oil to add some flavor. Put the chicken and let it cook until it's golden brown. Then add the stem part of the spring onion and the minced garlic to the pan. Stir fry everything together until the chicken is 70% cooked. Season the chicken with a little more soy sauce and oyster sauce. Continue to stir fry until the color of the chicken looks even. Once the chicken is already dry, you can add the cornstarch with water mixture. Once the sauce is already thick, add the cabbage back to the pan and mix everything together. You can also add the leafy part of the spring onion. Also, you can add a little more of sesame seeds to add more taste. So at this point, we're all done and it's ready to serve. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching.